Welcome back to Thomas Plays. Today I'll be teaching you how to hack T-Rex Runner to do what you see on screen right now. Okay? Anyway, today I changed my channel name from Thomas Plays to Thomas Plays Stuff. And I changed my profile pic of an icon of a face to an icon of a green Xbox controller. Anyway, let's get started. Let's open a new tab. Type T-Rex game. Let's get rid of the old tab. Then I click this. You click right click inspect. Then you go to console, click right click clear console. Feel free to pause the video whenever you want if you get lost. Then you type runner. Then you put a dot, put prototype. Then you put another dot. Then you put game. Then you put over. Then you put equals function. Function with a C. I messed that up a lot of times. Then you put whatever this thing is. Then you type console. Then you type log. Then you type parentheses, can't pronounce. Quotation marks. Messed up there. T-Rex. Then you type is immortal now. And you put an air quotation mark. Then you you close the parentheses. Can't pronounce. And you close whatever that thing is. Click enter. It's okay when it says unconstant error, unexpected token. That's perfectly normal. You type runner dot instance. You type underscore. Make sure you get that dot. I messed up a lot on this, on the dot, a single dot. Type set. Type speed. Type parentheses. I usually put 100,000. You can't, for some reason, you can't do over 100,000 because if you do like a million, it totally like messes it up and it doesn't work. The 100,000 is max. Like 100,000 or below, apparently. You put the parentheses. You click enter. Then you close the inspect element and watch the action start. Now you have to wait a few seconds for it to load. Then that's how you hack T-Rex Runner. Let's watch the scores go up. Pretty amazing, am I right? Well, I guess that's all. I'll see you in another video. This is Thomas Plays Stuff. I'll see you in another video. Make sure you hit that subscribe button and turn on notifications so you don't miss another great video like this. And make sure you hit the like button on this video. And if you have any questions or like suggestions, feel free to leave them in the suggestions below. I'll see you in the next video. Bye bye.